The air is so fresh.
Xuejian National Park is so beautiful. Have you been here before?
No, look at the sea of clouds.
Magnificent, right?
It's so dense.
So touching. Such a touching scenery.
I wonder how high it is here.
Let's go ask an expert. We have a friend with us today. Hi, welcome.
Good morning.
First time visiting the national park.
Yes.
I've been here before for hiking. There are many things to explore in Xuejian. The special thing about large trees will definitely surprise you. Sounds great. Let's go experience it. Okay, let's go.
Xuejian Visitor Center is located in Tai'an. It's at an altitude of about 1,870 meters, covering an area of around 9 hectares. You can enjoy the scenery of the mountains and ridges of Xuejian. If the weather is good, you can also see the Shengleng Trail and the Dashui Trail, the two magnificent ridge trails. The diverse forests in the park are the most precious resources in nature. If you want to know the secrets of every large tree, there's an experience that's unmissable.
Look at the surroundings. It's like being embraced by nature. I have the equipment on. Will looks busy. Very busy. Xuejian Visitor Center has many mid-altitude forests. These are all broadleaf trees. There are many areas hidden in the canopy layer. Really? You need to climb the trees to reach the top layer. We set up 2 platforms up there. They are 21 meters above the ground. Oh, very high. You can experience standing on the platform, but you have to climb the tree yourself. Okay. You're ready too?
Right.
I heard you're afraid of heights, right?
A little bit.
Muster up your courage. The climbing rope is sturdy. As long as you have enough strength and follow our instructions, you can get up there safely.
After suiting up, let's first observe how to climb a tree. After all, we have never climbed a tree before. The coach easily pulled himself up step by step. It doesn't seem too difficult.
This one. Which one? Pull this up. Oh, okay. I got it. Relax your feet when pulling. Right. Here I come. Keep repeating and you'll get there. Oh. I'm slowly climbing, right? 1 meter above the ground. Repeat this 21 times and you'll get up there. Okay. Here I come. So interesting.
He has been climbing for a long time, but he hasn't climbed very far.
What a long time!
Okay, you're climbing very fast. Almost halfway there. It's 7 stories high. A little scary.
Besides the core, you also have to use your back.
Right, so it's a full body exercise.
Yeah.
The last meter.
Almost there.
Turn your body.
The last meter. I'm stuck. Turn your body. Ooh. I'm stuck. Okay, I'll pull you in. Congratulations. Okay, I'm out. Oh. Wait a moment. I'll secure you to the tree. No problem. 130. My heart is 130 beats per minute. That's okay. Is it okay? Yes, climbing tree is a lot of fun and it's very safe. Look over there. Can you see it? So beautiful. 2 mountain tops, right? That's Dabajian Mountain, the most famous mountain in the park. Right. And Xiaobajian Mountain. We're standing in the canopy layer. Look closely at this tree. The tree we just climbed. Can you see the white thing next to its leaves? Yes. It's blooming. Wow. It's a schema. Originally, this platform was used for conducting research. I studied canopy epiphytes, the orchids, ferns, or Chinese taxidus twigs that grow on the tree trunk and branches in the canopy layer.
Xuejian is relaxing and watching the scenery on the platform. Looks like I have to climb quicker. Tree climbing really takes skills and strength. Looking at how out of breath I am, it's clear that I've never done it before. I have to practice more.
You should pull the handle high before pulling it down.
I can't pull it up.
Why? Wait a minute. Okay, now slowly stand up.
I pulled with my arms. I couldn't use my legs. It's completely different. To look at the trees from above.
Yes. You just saw the famous Shenglong Trail. It's a ridge trail that stretches from Xuejian to Dabajian Mountain. The most noticeable points are Dabajian Mountain and Xiaobajian Mountain. The Taiwan people call them 2 ears, like our 2 ears. I saw them when I climbed up, but it became cloudy when you got up.
It's another kind of scenery. Can everyone experience this activity?
It's only for those over 10 years old.
I see.
About 3rd grade in elementary school. And is there an upper age limit?
Really?
Even if you are 80 years old, if you have enough strength and are not afraid of heights, we will help you climb up here to see what's living in the canopy, such as orchids.
Looking at trees up here is a completely different experience. And there's a bridge connecting another platform, allowing you to observe a more diverse ecology. If you have the opportunity, be sure to come and enjoy the experience. Besides tree climbing, exploring the forest trails is another way to get close to the forests. I also learned that the tallest tree in Taiwan is here.
The environment here is very primitive. The Xuejian area is a treasure trove of large trees. It has the tallest tree in Taiwan.
How tall is it?
It's a Taiwania tree. It's 84.1 meters tall, and it's only discovered last year.
The tree we climbed was 21 meters. It's almost 4 times as tall.
Why is it so tall? Because it's in a remote area. Humans couldn't reach it, so it remained undiscovered until last year. Today, I am taking you to see a tree with large plank roots. The roots are taller than me. They're over 2 meters tall, and they extend over 20 meters on both sides. It looks like the tree is embracing you. Cool. But look at the sun.
There's a little fog.
So, I will take you to another secret spot to see the brother of the tree. It's on the top of the mountain. The trail will be a little steep. Let's go see the tree.
Okay.
Do you feel anything special?
Anything special?
The ground is elastic.
It's like a spring bed.
Yes.
So soft.
There's a secret behind the bounciness. Look at the ground. There are some special leaves. They're the leaves of Taiwan rhododendron.
Rhododendron?
The leaves are poisonous.
Really?
Yes.
You should have told us earlier.
You handed them to us? You can touch them with your hands.
All right.
But some insects and fungi don't like them.
Okay.
So they won't decompose and they keep stacking up into this thick layer of leaves. They cover over 76,000 hectares in the whole national park. They can cover 3 Taipei cities.
Wow.
You can only see this scenery in Guangwu Recreation Area's Zhen Mountain and here.
Very special.
I mentioned the brother of the tree.
Where is it?
Right behind you. It's a member of the Facaceae.
That tree?
It's a Constanopsis carlaceae. It kind of looks like an old lady. Its roots look so unique.
It looks like it's thousands of years old.
No, not that old.
Okay, but surely hundreds of years old.
Yes, some Taiwan rhododendron grow on its trunk.
Some new tenants.
Yes. So interesting. It looks spectacular. We really count on your expertise to share the features of the area with the people. Taiwan has many treasures.
True. The forests here are beautiful.
If you observe carefully, you'll find treasures everywhere, but you need to protect them so that future generations will have the chance to see them.
Yes. In the forest, you can get close to every tree and feel their life and pulse. If the weather is good and the trails are in good condition, come and explore the best forest in Taiwan. In Xuejian National Park, we witness the majesty of Taiwan's mountains and forests.